Hi everyone, so in this video I'll be talking about the problem remove the balls. So let's try to read the problem and see what the problem is saying. Imagine the imaginary array of length n containing the balls given two arrays colors and radius each of length n. And what they are saying that if two consecutive balls have the same color and same size, so both of them have to be removed from the array. So Geek wants to know the length of the final imaginary array. So for example here in the first test case, the first ball is having color 2 and the radius 3, and the second ball is having color 2 and radius 3. So as you can see that the first ball and the second ball both have the same color and same radius, so both of them have to be removed from the array. And finally we will be left with 4 and 5 and 4, the one ball having the color 5 and the radius 4. So the answer is 1. Okay, let's understand with the help of second test case. The first one having color 2 and 2, radius 2. As you can see that the ball second and third having the same color and same radius, so both will be removed from the array. And when both of them will be removed from the array, then these two will become the consecutive ones, and these two also having the same radius and same color. Let's try to understand by the test case. Like here, one. Okay, what have been given? 1 3 3 1. This one is the color array 1 3 3 1, and secondly we have given 2 5 5 2, 2 5 5 2. So this is the radius array, and this one is the color array. Okay, so what will happen that these two having the same color and same radius, and both of them are adjacent, so both of them will be removed from the array. And when both of them will be removed from the array, then finally our array will become like 1 2 and 1 2. So these two will become adjacent to each other when these two will be removed. Okay, so after removing the after being consecutive, we can see that these two also having the same color and same radius, so we have to remove these two also, these two as well, from the array. So after removing these, what will be the size of the array? It will be 0 at the end. Okay, so at the end our answer will be 0 here. So after having the dry run of the test cases, it is pretty clear that we can use stack here. Fine, we can maintain a stack of a pair where we'll be storing the value, color and radius. And if we find any color and radius which is equals to the top of the stack, then we will simply pop out that element from the top of stack. Okay, so let's try to code this. So we have to return the total number of balls which will be left at the end. So I'll make the stack of pair int and int st. Okay, and for my simplicity I'll make this small n, and now I will iterate over my balls I n till n. Okay, and if my stack and I will make a pair. Okay, current equals to color of I and secondly radius of I. Okay, and if my stack is empty, then what I'll do, I'll simply push my current to my stack. Current is the pair of color and radius. Okay, else if my pair on the top of the stack is equals to my current pair, then I'll simply pop out that element from the stack. Else I'll push my current element to stack. And what will be our answer at the end? Our answer will be stack.size. Okay, st.size will be the final answer. After performing all the operations, the number of balls which will be left out at the end will be our answer. Okay, so let's try to submit it. Okay, it is running fine on the test cases. Let's try to submit it and see. So it has passed all the test cases. So I hope it is clear to you that why we have used the stack, the intuition behind that, and the concept behind this problem.